In today's class, we will solve 10th Mathematics Triangles, exercise number 2.1, question number 2. In question number 2, we have to give two examples of similar figures and non-similar figures. In question number 1 video, we gave concept of similar and congruent and non-similar figure in detail. The link of the video is in the description box and you can also see it by clicking in the upper right corner here. For writing similar figures example, we just recall the similar figures concept, then we write examples. So let's go to similar figures. See these two figures. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same, but the size of the figure is different. So this type of figures we call similar figures. For example, we take one more figure. Here two equilateral triangles. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same, but the size of the figure is different. So these two figures also similar figures. So we write our first example. The two equilateral triangles are similar. Next, we see two circles of different radii. These two figures or circles are same, but the size of the circles are different. So these two are also similar figures. So the second example is the two circles of different radii. Next, we go to non-similar figures. First, we recall our concept. Here two figures are there. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is different and the size of the figure is also different. So this type of figure we call non-similar figures. For example, we take here a square and a rectangle. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is different and the size of the figure also different. So our first example is a square and rectangle. Next example, a circle and a triangle. In this, the size of the figure is different and shape of the figure is also different. So this is the second example of non-similar figures, a circle and a triangle. So this is the question number 2. In next video we solve question number 3. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching.